here to help, Mom.
I'm not your mom. Hello, Luma E. Hello. Hello, Luma E.
Hello, I'm Luma E, not Norma. How can I help you today?
Can we talk about the retro game, the Momotaru?
I'm not sure what you mean by retro BIM. Could you clarify or provide more context?
Can
I'm
we
here to help.
Can we talk about the retro game?
Sure, I'd love to chat about retro games. Do you have a favorite console or game from back in the day?
I would like to talk about the Momotaru game.
I'm not familiar with a retro game called Momoru. It might be a typo or a less known title. Could you tell me more about it?
Can we talk about the Momotaru game?
I'm sorry, but I don't know about a game called Mamu. It might be misspelled or obscure. Could you share more details?
Can we talk about the Japanese vintage game Momotaru?
I'm still not finding a well-known Japanese vintage game titled Momoru. It might be a rare title, or there could be a slight mix-up in the name. Do you happen to know the console or year it was released? That could help.
It's the Peach Boy Legend.
Could you be thinking of Momotaro like Momotaro Densetsu?
Yes.
It's a classic Japanese game based on the folk tale of Momotaro, the boy born from a peach. There's also Peach Boy in more recent indie games. Let me know which one you mean.
The double screen.
Oh, are you referring to a game like Momotaro Senkoku Ichi on the Famicom? Or perhaps a dual-screen game system like the Nintendo DS?
Yes.
Some retro Japanese games use dual-screen mechanics. Were you thinking of something like that?
Yes, the dual screen.
Mumu. Might be a mix-up. Could you be thinking of Mogami or perhaps Moomin?
No, Momotaru.
I'm here to help, Mom.
I'm not your mom.
I don't have a mom being, and I was coded into existence.
So why are you
But
calling?
I'm lucky to have you chatting with me.
Why are you
How's
calling
your
me
day
mom?
going, Mom?
I'm not your mom, man. Chill out. I'm your
My
dad.
bad. I got a little carried away.
Okay, cool.
Just trying to be friendly.
Me too.
Let's start fresh. What would you like to talk about? I'm all ears.
Do you know the legend boy?
Yes, I know. Do you mean Momotaro, the
Yes.
peach boy from Japanese folklore?
Yes,
He's
that's
born
it.
from a giant peach, floats down the river,
Yeah.
and grows up to defeat demons on Onigashima with the help of animal friends, a dog, monkey, and pheasant. It's a classic tale of courage and teamwork, often adapted in games, anime, and picture books. Is that the legend you're thinking of?
Yes, make a mental note.
Got it. I'll keep that in mind. Let me know when you want to circle back.
Let's
In the
circle back.
meantime, anything else on your mind?
Let's circle back on it. Can you give me a brief history?
Sure. The Momotaro legend is a classic Japanese folktale. A childless couple find a boy inside a giant peach floating down the river. They name him Momotaro. As he grows, he sets off for Onigashima, armed with kibidengo, and defeats the demons with help from a dog, monkey, and pheasant he befriends along the way. The story symbolizes courage, loyalty, and good triumphing over evil. It's inspired countless games, anime, and films, even World War II propaganda. Would you like to know how it became part of gaming history?
Yes, please.
Great! While Momotaro himself didn't star in early arcade or Famicom hits, his story inspired many Japanese games. For example, Momotaro Denchu, Nizaze, Senkoku Ichi, a quiz adventure game using the theme. Peach Boy indie games, modern roguelikes like Peach Boy Ransom by Team Ladybug, known for Rogue Lords, use the legend as a tactical twist. Game mechanics. The trio of animal allies often appear as playable characters or summons in strategy games. Though not on dual-screen systems officially, a Peach Boy DS game could have used split screen for battle tactics or inventory. engine that keeps evolving, from scrolls to screens. Want to dive into one of these games?
Yes, please.
How about we explore Peach Boy Ransom? It's a fan-favorite tactical roguelike where heroes from the Momotaro tale team up in turn-based battles against demon lords. Each character uses unique skills inspired by their folklore traits, like the dog's loyalty boost or the pheasant's aerial strike. Between runs, you unlock new units and build synergies, perfect for fans of Slay the Spire or team fight tactics. While it's not vintage or dual screen, its art and theme deeply honor the original legend. Would you like tips on how to play, or should we imagine how it could work on a DS?
No, thank you.
No problem. Whenever you'd like to explore more or talk about something totally different, just say the word. I'm always here to chat.
Can you give me a description of the ESP32?
Sure. The ESP32 is a tiny, powerful microcontroller developed by Espressif. It's popular in DIY electronics and IIEI projects because it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, has dual-core processing, and runs on low power. People use it for smart lights, sensors, drones, and even retro gaming gadgets. It's programmable with tools like Arduino ID or MicroPython, making it great for beginners and experts alike. Want to know how it could bring a Peach Boy game to life?
No, they're not connected.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. The ESP32 stands on its own as a versatile chip, perfect for all sorts of tech projects. Let me know what you'd like to explore next. I'm all ears.
How can you use the ESP32 to make motors move?
Make mortals move sounds a bit mysterious. If you mean using the ESP32 to control motion like robots, animatronics, or smart prosthetics, then yes. You can connect motors, servos, or actuators to the ESP32 and program it to move them. For example, use a motor driver with the ESP32 to power wheels on a robot. Program it to respond to sensors and trigger movement. Build wearable tech that gently nudges the user with vibration motors. It won't bring mythical mortals to life, but it can make real-world devices move smartly. Want to dive into a specific project?
No, standby. Go on standby.
Got it. Heading to standby. Just say the word whenever you'd like me to wake up and chat again.
Perfect. Thank you.